I created these study notes with AI in less than 2 minutes. They are clean, visual, and most importantly, fact-checked, which matters more than you think. In this video, I'll show you how to create study notes like this and the method I use to make sure everything is correct. You might remember the Gemini study notes video I made a few months ago. Well, the tools have evolved, so has my workflow. It's now ChatGPT for generating the notes and Claude for making sure they are actually right. Alright, first things first. I have ChatGPT synthesize the information for the study notes. I can either upload an existing file or ask ChatGPT to research the topic itself. Let's begin with having ChatGPT research. I'll show you the file upload approach later. For this, I'll run the prompt you see on your screen. All you need to do is change the topic and the target audience. For example, let's ask ChatGPT to research the Hellenistic kingdoms and the wars of the Diadochi. Here's the reply. I won't evaluate ChatGPT's answer now. I'll use Claude for that later. Next, I'll turn that information into Sketchnote-style Study notes. In the same conversation, I'll select the Create Image option and run the second prompt shown on your screen. The only thing that you gotta change is the aspect ratio. I'll use 3:4. And here's the result. It looks pretty good, right? But how accurate it is? Before we find out, let me show you how to create study notes from an existing PDF, such as a set of lecture notes. The only extra step is to upload the document by clicking the plus button. I'll upload a PDF that contains some details about the Iran-Israeli war, and then run the first prompt we gave earlier. But this time, I'll also enable Think mode. This gives ChatGPT more time to connect the details, checking its reasoning and produce a more thorough answer, especially when you're working with a complex or long document. Once the analysis is complete, run the second prompt again. Give it a few seconds, and voila! Looks nice, right? Well, that doesn't necessarily mean that the information is correct. Before using AI-generated notes as a study source, you need to verify them. That's where Claude comes in. To speed things up, I created a skill in Claude that, amongst other things, double-checks everything you feed it. The facts, the sources, even the visuals. You can grab both prompts as well as the skill file for Claude in the pinned comment below. First, I'll enable the Deep Research Synthesizer skill. Then, I'll upload the image created by ChatGPT and ask Claude to analyze it. You might be wondering why I'm pasting the image instead of the text generated after the first prompt. Here is why. Claude found several issues. One of them has to do with the map ChatGPT created. So Claude evaluated not only the text, but the visuals as well. That's why I prefer asking Claude to assess the generated image rather than just reviewing the text. Alright, now copy Claude's reply. Head back to ChatGPT and locate the image you created. Click this little edit button. Now paste Claude's feedback and tell it to revise the image based on it. And there it is. ChatGPT updated the image with all the corrections we fed it. It's still just as clean and visual as before, but now everything on it is accurate, actually usable for studying. Took me less than 2 minutes. See? That's how you create accurate Sketchnote-style study notes for any topic in under 2 minutes. Now, if you would rather not juggle between applications, there is a platform that puts ChatGPT, Claude, and several other AI models under one roof. And it goes way beyond text as it offers unlimited image generation, video, and more. Check it out in the video shown on your screen. Till the next time, see you!